Hello and welcome to Kaun Banega Smart Buyer. Today we'll share you about top 5 best instant cameras that you can buy in market. On the fifth spot we have Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 instant camera. If you are scouting for something funky, then your search should end here, as Instax Mini 9 comes in the range of eye-popping colors that should please your taste. The camera also includes some nifty control buttons, like the power button is placed on the lens. To change the scene modes, the included dial needs to be rotated and the selected option will lit up. For selfie lovers, a mirror has been provided on the front that helps you take the perfect shot. A close-up lens attachment is provided with a camera that also supports an automated brightness selection tools to choose ideal settings depending on the scene being shot. This product comes with a price of 3,999 rupees approximately. You can check the link in the description. On the fourth spot we have Lomography Lomo Instant Automat Camera. Other than Fujifilm, Lomography is another brand making some great instant camera for moments that require an instant photo in your hand. Lomography has made sure to keep its dimensions to the minimum, making it easy to carry. Over at the front, a flashlight has been included and is placed along with its large camera lens that should make low-light photography a breeze. It is a new model from the company, hence comes with updated features and specification. You can check the link in the description. On the third spot we have Fujifilm Instax Y300 Instant Camera. Part of the popular Instax series of Fujifilm, the Y300 offers a range of benefits over its peers. For starters, you also get a wide film option that allows you to shoot landscape photos beside the normal mini size one. This is a unique feature, as many other instant cameras for Fujifilm itself do not support it. A close-up lens has also been included in the box that can be used for portrait and other kinds of photos. The company has ensured a user-friendly interface which is designed to be used by anyone thanks to the included basic button setup. Features like automatic flash along with exposure compensation make the clicking process a little easier. This product comes with a price of 6,999 rupees approximately. You can check the link in the description. Now on the second spot we have Fujifilm Instax Mini 50S Instax camera. This highly acclaimed instant camera from Fujifilm is yet another product from the company on our list. Pictures from the Instax Mini 50S is clicked in a square aspect ratio, so you don't need to decide on which angle to shot the scene. Fujifilm has invested much to ensure that the subject remains the brightest spot in the images clicked with this camera while in low light at night. Besides the camera lens, a flash has also been provided despite its compact design, which can be used to further enhance your low light photography. The company offers you a warranty of 1 year on this product. You can check the link in the description. On the first spot we have Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Neoclassic Instant Film Camera. As its name suggests, this compact camera from Fujifilm is great from point and shoot photography, where you don't need to manually adjust any complex camera settings. The company has given it a classic look which not only makes it stand out, but it also very functional together with its advanced features. It included flash adjust the exposure level according to the ambient light, allowing for even better shots. Its functional design is also evident from the mode switch dial, which does exactly what it's called. The camera includes a power battery and is also houses a standard tripod socket if it is a must for you in any camera. This product comes with a price of 9,037 rupees approximately. You can check the link in the description. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kaun Banega Smart Buyer for more such contents. Bye!